Antara is saying, thank you so much, Malvika. I'm really looking forward to Master. Tell us how it was to work with Vijay Sethupathi. Antara, thank you. I'm glad you're looking forward to Master. So am I. I'm very excited for the film to finally come out. With Vijay Sethupathi, this is technically my second movie with him. But even in my first movie, I had absolutely no combination scenes with him. I think he's a fantastic actor. I think he's one of the best in the country right now. But I have nothing. I had no common scenes with him. Even in actually for Master, we'll have to wait and watch, like, what my combination is or isn't with him. I don't think I can talk about it right now. But I think I've met him. I've met him during the a few times at events, and generally I've met him, and I think he's a wonderful human being, and he's also super fun. He's super duper fun to like chill with. Naveen is asking, what are your hobbies or passion other than being an actor? How do you like to spend your free time or a vacation? Naveen, I love to travel. So, so I have no idea how I'm going to travel after, the current situation, because I don't think the travel industry is going to open up for a long, long time. And we'll have to wait and see how expensive flight tickets get, how many countries let other people in, how India reacts to its citizens traveling to certain countries and then flying back to India. So all of these things are just so I don't know when I'll be able to travel next, but I love traveling. I love traveling to weird places. In fact, I love going off the road. I love adventurous trips. I really wanted to. I had a trip to Japan lined up before the pandemic happened because I really wanted to see the cherry blossoms. It's been on my wish list for like 5 years. But yeah, the pandemic, COVID ensured that trip doesn't happen anytime soon. But I love traveling. I love driving. I love riding bikes. Bike riding is something that I do with like a few of my friends who are bike enthusiasts. I read a lot. I'm not much of a party person, so even my idea of like a weekend or chilling with friends is probably like all of us catching up in some friend's house and like having a house party or playing some board games instead of having a like going to a club or partying or dancing. Like, that's not my thing. Like your dad, do you have any plans to go behind the camera? Not right now. I mean, at a later stage in your career. Well, I love the visual arts. I love photography. I love cinematography. I haven't, of course, shot anything formally or any project, but I really like taking videos. I like shooting. I like mainly taking pictures. I mean, right now I'm so busy being an actor that I don't know if in the future I would want to, but maybe I mean, I would love to, if I'm bored and if I have free time, why not explore cinematography as well, especially when I have one of the best in the country at home to teach me and guide me through it. Who is your favorite actor and actress in Tamil cinema? Rajesh is asking. Hi Rajesh. Who's my favorite actor? I love Rajni sir, and I love Vijay sir, and I think it's not just because I work with them, but I think during the course of working with them, I have like they've been so wonderful, they've been so amazing to work with, that it sort of like amplifies the liking you already have for someone. So I think that's what's happened with them. So I love both of them. They're extremely sweet and nice. Favorite actress, I really like Nayanthara. I think she's done some really good work. She's really beautiful, and she's had such a stupendous career, which is something that I take inspiration from. What is your favorite Tamil film? I really like, I'm a huge Mani Ratnam fan, and out of all of his films, I really like, I have a lot of favorites actually, but I really like Iruvar. I think it's a really well-made film, and it's just so poetic and so beautiful. How is the journey of Master? Do you think it will be a treat for Vijay Sethupathi and Malavika fans? The journey of Master was amazing. I said this in an interview recently, but I will say the same thing again. It was like a big group college picnic that we were working on, because it was so much fun, and we were also making something really cool, something really different from anything that's been made in Tamil cinema, and we had so much fun. So it was a blast working on Master. And thank you for putting me in the same bracket as Vijay Sethupathi. Although I think that they are too out of my reach to be able to put into a similar bracket. But yes, it's gonna be a treat for Vijay Sethupathi fans for sure, and it's gonna be madness. It's gonna be absolute madness. I wish I could talk more about the film, but I can't. But it's gonna be amazing. Have you dubbed for your own portions in Master? No, I have. I have not dubbed for my portions in Master, mainly because the director and I, both of us, felt that when I spoke in like a lot more. I know a lot more Tamil now than I did during my first film, because it's a little similar to Malayalam, right? Like it's in a similar family, so it's easier to pick up. Compared to like me picking up like an entirely different language, like say Bengali, which is so different. So it's been easier. I am picking it up, and I think I've been picking it because I felt like even now when I speak in Tamil, I sound like a Malayali who's speaking in Tamil. So I think I need to work on my accents a little better. I need to work on sounding more colloquial and more local. That is the main reason I didn't dub for it, but I definitely intend to dub for my own movies, because I feel voice modulation and what you do with your voice performance is such, like, makes up like 50-60% of your performance as an actor. So as an actor, you're really possessive about giving it your best, and dubbing is a very, very important part of it. So I definitely want to you know I'm learning Tamil. I'm learning Tamil as fast as I can. Basically, I've been watching a lot of Tamil films. I have apps on my phone, where I'm learning like 10, 20 new Tamil words every day, and sort of talking to a lot of my Tamil friends and colleagues to pick it up better. As you mentioned, Malayalis watch Vijay and Surya movies. Yes, they do. Malayalis love Vijay and Surya. Do you have any experience of a fan show of a Vijay movie, or is Master going to be your first? Actually, I've never been to a one of Vijay sir's first day first show movies. I've never been in Chennai, right? Like I've never lived there, and in Bombay it's not the same. It's different when you go for a first day first show in Kerala or in Tamil Nadu especially. So I haven't, but I'm very, very. Master is going to be my first, and the whole team is planning to watch the first day first show with at one of these smaller theaters with fans, and so we're all very excited about it, and it's going to be madness. So I'm very excited to see what a first day Talapati Vijay first day first show is like. The first thing you'll eat outside after the quarantine gets over. Yes, food is bae. I completely agree, Prashant. I think we are all having cravings for our favorites, which we're not able to eat at the moment. For me, it's I love pav bhaji, which is I think it's a Maharashtrian dish, right? It's a very Mumbai dish, but I think it's a Maharashtrian dish. I love pav bhaji, and I've been craving for it since the lockdown began, since 2 months. So I'm really waiting to eat that, and hopefully after this gets over. Antara is saying, give us some book recommendations. Also, I can see my friend Gopika is watching. Hi, Gopika. Book recommendations. Well, I actually posted a picture of this book, which is something that I read recently. I finally finished it. It's called Banana. It's called Kitchen by this author called Banana Yoshimoto, which is really, really nice. And it's a small book for people. I have a lot of friends who are intimidated of reading big fat books. So it's a really nice one. And what else have I been reading? I've also been reading this book called these are all the books that I'm reading at the moment. I'm obsessed with books. So I have a lot of books everywhere in my room. But I've also been reading this book called Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is a science fiction novel. I saw it on a list of Elon Musk's 20 books which have inspired him in his life, and I really like Elon Musk's work. I think he's a visionary. He's been such a brilliant innovator of our generation that I really wanted to sort of see what inspires him. So I started reading the books that he's read and he recommends. So that's how I started reading this book, and it's really funny. It's really nice. So you should check it out. Okay, guys, it was lovely chatting with y'all, and I hope the lockdown ends soon, and more importantly, I hope COVID-19 ends soon. I hope that life can go back to being what it was up until a couple of months back, and to again, like I said at the beginning of the chat, to all of you celebrating Eid today. Have a great day with your families, and it was lovely chatting with you guys. Bye.